Hi, my name is Kevin Miltenberger, and I am doing a video on Newton's third law of motion. Here is a picture of Sir Isaac Newton. So what exactly does Newton's third law state? Well, it means that for every action force, there is an equal and opposite reaction force. So some key definitions for you to understand here is that a force is a push or a pull. Equal means the same. Opposite is going in the other direction. So in other words, when you push on an object, that object pushes back on you just as hard as you put on it. So for example, Michael leaves his phone on the ground and a panda comes and sits on it. Michael needs his phone back, so he tries to move the panda by pushing its side. He pushes with a force of 50 newtons. Identify the reaction force in this situation. What is the magnitude and the direction of this reaction force? So take a moment here and pause the video before I go ahead and solve this. Okay, so to solve this, you need to break down the problem into its forces. So FMP would be equivalent to the force of Michael on the panda. FPM would be the force of panda on the Michael. So FMP, according to Newton's third law, is equivalent to negative FPM. So in this situation, FMP equals 50 newtons. And now we can substitute that into Newton's third law equation, and we get 50 newtons equals negative FPM. So we would just divide 50 newtons by negative 1, and we would get negative 50 newtons equals FPM. So now that we know that FPM is negative 50 newtons, we know the reaction force, the magnitude, and the direction. So if we look at the picture here, Michael is pushing 50 newtons in the direction of the panda, so this is the reaction force. And the reaction force, according to Newton's third law and our calculations, is 50 newtons in the opposite direction of Michael. So I hope that this video helped you understand Newton's third law a little better, and thank you for your time.